When the moon climbed high overhead, the animals of the forest gathered for the feast they had dreamed of. The tables, crafted from fallen logs and bedecked with wildflowers, groaned under the weight of the evening's bounty. Every creature, from the tiniest mouse to the grand old stag, found a place around the glowing circle, their eyes bright with anticipation. As the first slice of berry pie was passed, conversation blossomed with the petals of spring. Stories from seasons past mingled with the aroma of roasted nuts, and the sound of clinking cups echoed beneath the treetops. Squirrels darted between platters, their cheeks bulging with hazelnuts, while owls presided from above, their talons wrapped around mugs of spiced cider. The music began with a gentle tapping, acorns struck together by clever paws, then swelled as more joined in. Foxes twirled with rabbits, their tails flickering in the lantern light, while hedgehogs formed a line and shuffled in time. The laughter grew louder, blending with the melody of frogs croaking from the pond's edge. The wise old badger, his fur silvered by age, raised a wooden cup high.
Tonight, we are more than neighbors. We are family.
He proclaimed, his voice rumbling like distant thunder. A cheer rippled through the clearing, paws drumming the earth in agreement, and even the shyest vole grinned at the unity around them. As the hours slipped by, the feast became a swirl of shared stories, impromptu dances, and the comfort of belonging. Fireflies drifted above the tables, their golden glow mingling with the lanterns, while the moon watched over the revelers, a silent guardian blessing their joy. When the last crumb was eaten and the final song faded, a hush fell over the gathering. The animals leaned into each other, their hearts full in content. This was more than a party. It was a memory woven into the fabric of the forest, one they would carry forever. A promise that whenever the moon was bright and the air sweet, they would gather again in laughter and love.